Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your video content with Vimeo step by step clearly. To begin protecting your video content on Vimeo, start by logging into your Vimeo account. Once logged in, navigate to the video you wish to protect. Click on the Settings button located below your video. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab on the left side. Select the Privacy tab to access various privacy options. You will see several choices for who can view your video. For maximum protection, choose the Only People with the Password option. This allows you to set a unique password for your video. Enter your desired password in the provided field. Now, scroll down to find the Distribution section. Here, you can further limit where your video can be embedded. Select the Where Can This Be Embedded option. Choose specific domains to restrict embedding to certain websites. Enter the domains where you want your video to be embedded. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab for additional settings. In the Advanced section, you can enable restrictions on downloads. Toggle the Allow Downloads option to off if you do not want users to download your video. Once all settings are configured, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your changes. Your video is now protected with a password and restricted access. To test your settings, log out of your account and try accessing the video. This ensures that your protections are in place and functioning as intended. Regularly review your privacy settings as Vimeo updates its platform. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your video content on Vimeo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.